All right, team, we have just successfully set up our business profile. We are now ready to buy our phone number that we are planning on using for the system. So, if you'll notice, I am inside of settings. So, I'm going to go back to where the dashboard is, dashboard right here. We are going to click on the settings tab right here. That will open up the business profile again. But right here, we're going to navigate to the phone number section. Okay, so go ahead and click on that for me. And what you are going to do is you have two options. We can add either a toll-free number, like an 855 number, or a local number. I'm 972, so I would want to buy a 972 number or a 469 number. So my recommendation is if you service more than one state, I would prefer that you would get a toll-free number. Okay, that way you're not having to buy multiple numbers. If you service a localized area, you should buy a local number. Okay, now each of them have their own verifications that we have to go through once they are completed. So I need for you to follow these steps for me. Okay, you are going to go to the phone number section and you are going to click add number and select the add phone number from the drop down. Okay, that is going to open up this section right here. And you are going to see that there is a number of different phone numbers with different area codes inside of the system. Okay, I need for you to navigate to the filter button right here. Okay, I'm going to do that again. Filters right here. Click on that one. And here you can select if you want a local number or a toll free number. Now, in this case, I'm going to be buying a local number. Okay. So the local number that I would like to purchase would be a 469 area code. Now, if I click apply right now, it will show me any number that has a 469. It could be at the end, it could be at the beginning. We don't know. I specifically want to buy a 469 area code. So what I'm going to do is on this match to part, I'm going to select match to first part of number and then click on the apply button. Okay. Now that will show me any number that begins with 469 as the area code. Okay. So I specifically know 469 is either Plano or Dallas or Allen or, Prosper, like one of those areas. I don't know. Like Forney is really far. Red Oak is really far. Midlothian is very far. So I probably would not grab just the first 469 number that I see. I would be meticulous as to where I would want to get this specific number. Okay, so for instance, I'm in Prosper, Texas. I would select probably one of these two numbers right here. This number looks great, so I'm going to select it right here. And you'll notice at the bottom, I have this proceed to buy button. Now, I've noticed on sometimes when I'm doing these verifications with people, you might not have that or you might not see that at the bottom. I need for you to scroll down right here. See where my mouse is? Hover your mouse right there, scroll down, and you will see the proceed to buy button. Okay, click on that number for me. Proceed to buy, and you will have a screen that comes up that says you have purchased this number. Now, I'm going to click on this exit button right here. Okay. And you are going to get this big red banner right at the top that says your A2P10 DLC registration is incomplete. Don't worry about that. I'm going to show you guys where to go where you can have our team request that. But first, I need for you to navigate to the phone number. You're going to click on this button right here, the triple dot, and you're going to select edit configuration. Okay. Now, you can name this number and call this Jonathan's number. Okay. That won't change anything. It just makes you know that this is this number, right? And here is how I personally have my phone system set up. Okay. I will forward calls to my actual cell phone number. Okay. And so anytime that somebody calls this number, this 469 number, this will forward to my cell phone number right here. Okay. You will see right below it that there is the use your verified number as your caller ID. I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. But I personally like to have this call connect feature enabled. And what that call connect feature does is anytime somebody calls you and it is a call coming from the CRM, a robot guy will come on and say, press 1 to connect, press 2 to disconnect. This way you know that it is a call connect feature. Okay, that it's a call from the CRM. Okay. Whisper message. I personally don't utilize whisper message. You can include whisper message, and the robot guy will say call from 972-275-6625. And so that way you know that it will that it's a call from a specific person or a specific number. You can enable call recording. Okay. Now, call recording is an awesome feature, especially for somebody who's handling leads, right? And typically, when you check on this call or the call recording, you will have this robot feature right here saying this call is being recorded for quality purposes. Okay. We want to make sure that we keep that intact, especially if you are in a dual party consent state, meaning that both parties have to know that the call is being recorded. Okay. So just make sure that you put that. You can also change this up completely. I will also let you guys know if for any reason you want the call to be recorded and you do not want to let the client know that the call is being recorded, which I do not recommend, but I will show you this. If you put a space bar right there, the call will be recorded inside of your CRM, and the person who you are calling will not know that the call is being recorded. Okay. I just have to tell you that. Just a quick heads up. Okay. So, you're also going to navigate to this incoming call timeout. We are going to select this for 30 seconds and outgoing call timeout for 30 seconds as well. Lastly, you will select yourself as the user for incoming calls. Now, there are people that have a number pool, and what a number pool is if you have a team and you would like for everybody in that team to be ring when get the incoming call whenever a call is coming through, you can select up to 7 users to be able to handle that inbound call. Okay, just as a quick heads up, I'm going to click on the save button right there. You will see that I have these forwarding numbers and the call timeout situated inside of my screen right here. And what I will have you do, please do not submit this by yourself. I don't believe that our system will allow for you to, but I need for you to click on the go back button, and I need for you to scroll down to the support portal. Okay. So you will click support portal and you will see that there is a A2P support where you can submit a ticket. You will click submit a ticket. You will click on the A2P registry right here. You will select what type of business you are. So I'm a sole proprietor in this account, so I'm going to select sole proprietor. Okay. And you will complete the fields right here. Okay. So again, please make sure that you complete this so our team can submit your A2P approval. So I'll go ahead and get this completed. A ticket will be made. So that way you guys, so that way my account can be submitted for A2P approval. Okay. Now it is extremely important, guys, and we talked about this in the other call. There will be a one-time passcode that will be sent to you for brand verification. Okay. It has to go to a personal phone number. Okay. So please make sure that you add your phone number inside of this mobile phone section, because you will be getting a text that will say TCR phone registration, reply yes. Okay. So please make sure that you add your cell phone number so that way we don't delay with your A2P. Okay. Getting everything else situated. Now this section right here says location ID, and it says paste your location ID. My recommendation, if you'll see right here that there is a location and that it does have a bunch of different numbers right there. So mine is after location and before custom menu link. This is what's called your location ID. You can copy that, paste it in there, click agree, and then click submit. Now we've created a support ticket for our team to submit your A2P verification process. Okay, that's it for the phone numbers, guys. I will see you in the next video.